Hi everyone, I'm Sabi. In this video I'm going to show you how to add the apply button to your filter. Why is the apply button useful? On the top right corner you can see a regular filter if you add it to your Tableau dashboard. It doesn't have an apply button. If you would like to select several months to filter your view, we will see what happens. The view is changing after every click. If you have a huge amount of raw data, it means seconds between the clicks. With the apply button, you can eliminate these waiting times and the view will be loaded only once after you click on the apply button. I see how it works. This filter has the apply button. I would like to pick up Austria and Germany. I click on Austria and you can see nothing is changing. I click on Germany, nothing is changing. Then I click on the apply button and the view will be loaded. That's why the apply button is very practical. But how can you adjust your filters? I show it to you from scratch. On the left side you can see a short summary. Step 1. You click on the filter you would like to adjust. You click on the More Options option. Then you can choose Customize and you can tick the Show Apply button option. Then the Apply button appears. We can test it. I would like to choose the first 3 months. I pick up January, February and March. Then I click on the apply button and the view will be loaded only once. Thank you for your attention. This was the short summary how to add the apply button to your filter. Have a nice day. Bye bye.